Hello guys, my name is Nenad, I'm a sign designer, and in this video I'll show you a design process for an ADA panel from sketching to rendering. Alright, let's break down this ADA sign design. Simple, clean and functional. That's the goal here today. I always start with a rough sketch just to get the proportions right. Nothing fancy, just lines and shapes to map out the concept. So this sign has two layers of quarter-inch acrylic. The first layer is the functional base. It's a second surface printed with an orange background, which means the color is printed on the back of the acrylic, making it look vibrant while staying protected. On the front surface, we got the ADA compliant white text and Braille. This setup keeps the important information front and center, while the color adds some personality. ADA guidelines are very specific here. Raised letters need to be at least 1/32 of an inch thick, and the font has to be sans serif, so no decorative curls or fancy stuff. It's all about readability here. Braille goes directly below the text and has to be gray too, which is a shortened form of the language. It's easier and faster to read. Now, the second panel sits right on top of the first. This layer also is a quarter-inch acrylic, but here it's more about aesthetic finish. The background is second surface printed in a solid black, giving it a sleek, modern feel. And up in the top left corner we added the word welcome in a gray first surface printed, so it stands out just enough without over-empowering the design. So this layered approach isn't just for looks, it's here to make the sign more durable as well. If the top layer gets scratched, it doesn't affect the ADA details on the bottom. Contrast is another key detail. ADA requires at least 70% contrast ratio between the text and the background. That's why the white text on the orange works so well. It's high contrast, easy to read, and stands out whenever you're close or walk by. And here is the final product. Clean lines, bold colors, and fully ADA compliant. It's functional, modern, and easy to replicate across the entire building. So this is how a simple sketch turns into a polished sign. If this video gave you insights of how ADA stuff works and how to make ADA panel, please hit like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next design process. Thank you.